ain't trying to get copyrighted. Welcome back with another video. I'm back at home with my baby brother. He's 16, he ain't a baby no more. But today, my family's celebrating Mother's Day, and I'm gonna show y'all around. So I always put the camera up too low. But look at these ugly ass niggas, man. Man. What you gotta say to the camera? What you gotta say to the camera? What you gotta say to the camera?
Brian, don't put me on there. Put all that shit on there. Put my hand. What'd you run off to?
Look at the camera.
You know that was too much when you did that. That ain't nothing funny. Get it up. T-Bone, man.
She out here getting ready to start frying the fish. She got the greens. Come on, Ty. So, my uncle has a barbecue place, so we're gonna go stop by there and try to pick up some snoops. Come on, brother. Hi, y'all.
You supposed to get his truck, don't you?
I'm supposed to, yeah. I'm trying to, I wish I could have. So we out here, my brother wanted to record at Cal's Barbecue. So a St. Louis staple, East St. Louis staple is called Snoops. I'm gonna show y'all what that is too. My grandma out there buying them, she got about 5 of them. This is actually my uncle's barbecue spot right here. And just because he family don't mean I won't rate it horrible. I'm honest. Hips, so Snoops is like pig nose. The camera looking good, and he's known for his barbecue sauce. So it's basically like pork rinds, basically, but it's grilled. Right here. Hear the crunch. Not bad. It's honestly not bad. I like the barbecue sauce. Come here! Noah! Come here! I rated 8.3 out of 10. Come here, man! What's wrong with you? Oh, your voice got deep? How do you know?
My turn trying. I don't like snoops, so we're gonna like to try it.
What you
sauce
rate
is good. A 7.
7? What you don't like about it?
No, it's not that I don't like it. It's good, but I don't like Snoop.
No. Okay.
Oh, yeah, for them, no. Because I have a 4 or 5 of them. You're ready to play.
Give me on another Snoop. It is kind of good.
What's this? Why don't you ever put your hands on my face?
No, I'm sorry.
I do not know what you do with them things.
What you mean? Here, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. So we got the fish. I'm going to be an honest reviewer. If the fish is horrible, I'm going to say it's bad. Good crunch. Good seasoning. Some of the best catfish I had. A fish. I don't know if it's catfish. It'll be anyone in Chicago. Mac and cheese.
I got a to-go place somewhere. Anybody know where it's at?
We're skipping past the mac and cheese. It's going to be greens.
Go the other way.
Seasoned. Flavorful. Montecoli.
Here, y'all little dirty hands come in.
That's good.
Did you get enough macaroni? Everybody sitting here eating about macaroni. That ain't good enough. What's wrong with it? Them kids over there when the walls walk them. Jackie, that's why you supposed to be doing. No, I ain't supposed to do nothing. Y'all better eat some of these green beans.
Hey, they good.
You see that?
That green beans. Yeah, I'm full of that.
Chicken right here, man. Every day we eat good. Got the barbecue sauce. No matter how good of a cook I am, my family just do it better, man. Crunchy, flavorful. That's how you make chicken wings.
Take no picture of that burnt fit, that thing.
You like the food?
It was good.
Get them soda cans up.
Wait, mama, put it in the camera.
Come on, y'all. Let's clean up. I'm ready to go.
He just yelling in the camera. That's cool.
Go, so
Every day we eat good.
always want to get into something.
Got a couple to-go plates to take back. Feels good.
Jackie ain't come. I don't want to hear that. Jackie.
No, I don't know.
I got a video. I still got.
You see, they'll dig. I don't know what they do.